Hi, I'm Mari Leander Reimer, and this is Cloud Native Application Development with Java EE by Pact Publishing. So who am I to talk about this topic? Well, first up, I'm a chief technologist working for QABE GmbH in Germany. I've been a developer and architect for almost all my life, and I have 20 plus years of programming experience. I'm an author of technical articles and maybe books, and I also speak at technical conferences quite occasionally. I'm a cloud native nerd. You may find me on Twitter and also on GitHub, and I will post all of the code throughout this course on my GitHub account. So let me give you a brief overview of this course. Now, cloud native application development is pretty hard, because it's definitely more than just implementing microservices. What you see here is what I call the cloud native application blueprint, and at the heart what you see is Java EE. But as you also see, there are a lot more areas to cover. So we will talk about, service exposition, REST APIs and maybe messaging, configuration and coordination, state and persistence, security, diagnosability, and you need to cover all of those areas to build truly cloud-native applications. So this is what we'll learn. The first section sets the base. We'll talk about building and containerizing and running microservices with Java EE. The second section is about building and calling synchronous and asynchronous APIs. Section 3 is about configuration and coordination in a cloud environment. Section 4 will be about handling state and persistence in a cloud-native environment. The fifth section is about adding diagnosability to your cloud-native application. And finally, in Section 6, we talk about securing your cloud-native applications with JSON Web Tokens and role-based access control. So here are the prerequisites for this course. First up, you definitely need basic programming skills and Java knowledge. Of course, you need a computer with a modern operating system, Windows 10, macOS or Linux. Of course, you need a working Java 8 installation. We'll be using Payara server throughout this course. You need Docker for Windows or Mac or Linux, depending on your operating system. You need an IDE with Java and Java EE 8 support, like Eclipse, IntelliJ or maybe NetBeans. And also, we'll be using a REST client from time to time, such as Postman and Insomnia.